Fix Amtlib.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Repair damaged PC files. If you would like to attempt fixing Windows system files, you can do this by running DISM and SFC scans via an elevated command prompt. Here's how. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 2. Scan for malware. You can use any reputable anti-malware software of your choice, although Microsoft Defender Offline Scan should suffice. Select Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. The computer will now restart, and the scan begin. Fix 3. Re-register the file. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, Fix 4. Install the missing Visual C++ components. Fix 5. Reinstall the app.